As far as our understanding of analytics is concerned, you know what? In this pandemic era also, data scientists are helping us in figuring out the vaccine of COVID-19. So you can imagine the importance of data science. From IT sector to, we are talking about pharmaceuticals, biotechnology companies, where data scientists are used or are leveraged, where they are using machine learning to discover the COVID-19 treatments. So you understand the importance of this field now. The reason of this slide is to make you understand. We're talking about why analytics, right? Why analytics? So data analytics is a tool in the data science subject that uses machine learning to solve the real world problems. That's what you're seeing. It's a real world problem. Something that we are aware of. In the 18th century, gold. In the 19th century, oil. As we go ahead in the 20th and the 21st century, we are talking about bitcoins and data as the most valuable asset of each century. Why data science is so common? Because data is everywhere. You talk about an IT company, you talk about a social media company, you talk about a bank, you talk about an e-commerce, a manufacturing. You are a BSc in computer science, you are a BSc in chemical, you are BCom, engineering, MCA, BCA, or you are an MBA. Any industry you go, we are all surrounded by data. From morning to evening, the number of times we eat food to number of times we open our phone is all data. That's why, very logically, Harvard Business School mentions data is one of the most sexiest jobs that you can be a part of in this particular century. Forget about the century. In the next 5 years, this is the most sought after as far as fresher job role is concerned. So the earlier you learn it, the better it is, but only that much that is relevant to you. Let's have some fun. Quickly tell me, what do these logos represent? Which companies? On the chat box, please. Many of you correctly identified. Yes, it's Orkut. It's Orkut. Maybe it's, I would say, maybe many of you have not seen Orkut because you directly came into the world of Facebook, for example, but Orkut, eBay, and Yahoo. Orkut, eBay, and Yahoo. All right. Now, you know what? These companies, individual level, got substituted by other companies. So give me this answer. Orkut got substituted by? Orkut got substituted by? Can I get the answer quickly? Yeah, don't speak. Just type in the chat box. Yeah. eBay got substituted by? Very easy. Let's talk about Yahoo first. Yahoo by? Yeah. eBay by Amazon. Correct. And Yahoo by? Yeah, we'll say Google. Absolutely. And you know what? What made these companies substituted by these other companies? It's because of data. I tell you why. Very fundamental. So Orkut, eBay, and Yahoo, when they came into existence, they made products or services which were helpful for the customers. But as the customers started generating data, customers realize that there can be more easier ways, more interesting ways to access those products or services, whether it is a search engine, whether it is online marketplace, or whether it is a social networking site. And these companies, Facebook, Amazon, and Google, you know what? They didn't make the products what they thought customers want. They made the products actually what customers want, accordingly what customers want. We call it design thinking in today's business world. That is called as design thinking. You don't create products or services thinking that what the customers want. You make the products based on what the customers want. We call it outside in approach. Something as a startup company, Skill Edge also believes in. The content of our course, every course, is designed by what the students want, what the freshers want to become employment ready. And that's how it is getting successful. Let's take another example. Do you identify these cars? Let's take another example. So you see the power of data. We started from an application of data in COVID-19 treatment. Then I moved into online marketplace, social networking site, as well as search engine. We're now moving into automobile. Do you recognize these cars? Can somebody type in the chat box who is this person and what these cars are all about? Yes, Shalini, as you mentioned about the surveys, absolutely. Yeah. So we're talking about Tesla. We're talking about Elon Musk, which is basically hybrid vehicles, electric vehicles, right? Absolutely. And do you understand why these are very special vehicles? It is because these vehicles are trained in such a manner that these vehicles uses data analytics at the highest level. A simple example. Yes, absolutely, non-renewable resources and everything, but fundamentally it is about data. How? So in गाड़ियों को ना 5,000 किलोमीटर based on certain mileage चलाया जाता है. So इनके इंजिन्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है और उसके बाद अगली बार जब ये गाड़ी चलते हैं ड्राइवरलेस कार्स, तो वो इतना ट्रेन हो जाते हैं कि उनको पता है कितने किलोमीटर के बाद लेफ्ट टर्न आएगा, राइट टर्न आएगा, ब्रेक आएगा, एंड सो फोर्थ. Do you realize the power of data? I am telling you, what we are talking right now is an application. Why analytics is so important? Why it is one of the most sought after skill. अगर आपने 2020 का स्किल इंडेक्स देखा है, अभी कोर्सेरा ने 1 महीने पहले स्किल इंडेक्स निकाला था, जहां पे ये बताया था इंडिया वाज रैंकिंग 49th आउट ऑफ 61 कंट्रीज, जहां पे डेटा साइंस स्किल्स डिमांड में बहुत है, लेकिन लोगों के पास स्किल्स नहीं है. लोग मतलब स्टूडेंट्स. एंड दैट इज बिकॉज वो जो चाहिए वो सिखाया नहीं जा रहा है, और अगर सिखाया जा भी रहा है तो वो उस तरीके से नहीं जो सामने वाला समझ पाए at many levels. But you can see the application. So learn. हमारे पास कोविड से लेकर ऑटोमोबाइल तक एवरीवेयर इज ऑल टॉकिंग अबाउट डेटा. फिर आप कोई भी रोल, कोई भी डिग्री लो, डेटा इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट. ओके, सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. अब आपको एनालिटिक्स का इंपॉर्टेंस समझ में आया होगा कि व्हाई एनालिटिक्स इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट. जो मशीन लर्निंग टूल यूज करके रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा है. अब हम ये बात करेंगे कि कंपनीज डेटा एनालिटिक्स कैसे यूज कर रही है, कौन कौन से सेक्टर में यूज कर रही है और किस तरह यूज कर रही है.